Hello, so today we'll be taking our sound from A to Z and how the sound is being produced with our body language. We'll be running through a sound from A to Z and how the sound is being produced with the use of our body language. So the first one here is A, as in apple. As in apple. Can you see my hands? As in apple. The next sound is B, as in bag. B as in bag. The next sound is K. The body language for K is K, as in cat. As in cat. The next sound is D, as in dog. As in dog. The next sound is E, as in egg. As in egg. The next sound is as in fish. Then the next sound is G, as in gate. Okay, the next sound here is as in hat. As in house. The next sound is A, as in igloo. As in igloo. The next sound is J, as in jump. As in jump. As in jug. The next sound is K, and you can also say kicking cool, as in kettle. As in key. The next sound is as in lollipop. As in lion. The next sound is as in monkey. Then the next sound is as in nurse. The body language for N is touching your nose. As in nurse. As in net. The next sound here is O. The next sound is O, as in orange. As in ostrich. The next sound is as in pencil. The next sound is as in queen. As in queen. The next sound is as in run. As in run. Rat. The next sound is as in snake. Then the next sound is the next sound is as in time. Time. So the next sound here is as in umbrella. As in umbrella. The next sound is as in van. As in van. The next sound is as in window. As in window. The next sound is as in X-ray. The next sound is as in yacht. As in yam. Then the last sound here is as in zip. Zebra. So let's run through the sound A to Z together. A, B, K, D, E, G, A, J, L, O, P, Q, R, S,